If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Moneyfarm, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have received any emails from Moneyfarm regarding your verification. Sometimes additional information or documents are requested via email. Step 2. Review your documents. Make sure that all the documents you submitted for verification are clear and meet the requirements. Check for any missing or incorrect information that could delay the process. Step 3. Resubmit documents. If you find any issues with your initial submission, gather the correct documents and resubmit them through the Moneyfarm platform. Ensure that they are in the correct format and clearly legible. Step 4. Contact customer support. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. Verification processes can take time, but they will inform you once your account is fully verified. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Moneyfarm efficiently. If problems persist, keep in touch with customer support for further assistance.